Oh, Chuck. Hear this, Michelle. Oh. A woman who acts like a kinky puppy makes $10,000 a month on OnlyFans. I have always acted like a puppy, but not in a sexual way. I used to pretend I was a puppy when I was growing up, said Phillips. She began posting far kinkier videos to great success. Since March, earning enough money via her OnlyFans, $10,000 a month.
Not
Jamaican, 10,000 US. Act like a puppy, I eat food. See that? I must can find somebody who like one fat Jamaican man.
I must find something for you. $10,000 a